There's such a high demand. The issue that the overall industry is facing is that, um, for the last few years, there's been kind of like a gray tsunami of individuals who've been in the field for 30, 40 years who are now exiting it based on age, based on retirement. And
Mhm.
there's just not enough young people or just people of working age to be able to fill in that knowledge gap and fill in the position. So,
Yeah,
uh,
because it was way more
that
popular before, right?
of course, of course. And for the last 20, 30 years, people have just not gotten into it. But that is with every, I guess, challenge that leads to an opportunity and a
I was gonna
solution.
say
So that,
that's a tool.
symbol is the solution. And again, our students can now command higher salaries, higher wages based on this severe skilled labor shortage, which is impacting the manufacturing industry.